Hello, this is a tutorial for this Deltarune heart logo origami model designed by me. Let's get started. All you're going to need is a square sheet of origami paper that is white on one side and whatever color you want the heart to be on the other. To start, with the color side up and fold one corner to the opposite corner. Unfold and fold the other two corners to match. Now, with the white side up, fold each edge to the opposite edge. Unfold and repeat. Unfold and collapse along the existing creases. Now, fold these edges to the center. Unfold. Inside reverse fold these. Fold this triangle up, unfold, turn over, and repeat. Fold this edge to the center, fold this edge to the center, unfold, inside reverse fold these two triangles, fold this triangle to the top, and unfold. Now, fold this edge to this crease, but only fold to the center crease. Unfold, and repeat on the other side. Now, rabbit fold. Fold the triangle to the right, crease. Fold to the left, crease. And now unfold everything. From here, mount and fold along the center crease. Fold this edge inwards while folding this edge down. Repeat on the other side. Stretch this flap upwards and take this flap and outside reverse it on the back. Repeat on the other side. Now, fold this flap backwards, lift up these two flaps, and get this white triangle tucked under this flap. Now squash fold each of these free flaps off to the side. Make sure to align them perfectly, using the back creases as a guide. Repeat on the other side. From here, you should have this four-pointed star shape with this white triangle in the center. Now, open the shape like this, and on the inside of this white triangle, you're going to reverse this crease here, like that, and inside reverse fold it down on the inside of the model. Like that. Fold this small triangle downwards, flatten all the way to the inside of the model, fold this side over, and fold that over. Now you should have a small white triangle poking out the model. Open up the flaps on this triangle. Squash fold them over to the right side and crease. Fold this flap up towards the center. Fold this flap down towards the center. And fold this bottom flap upwards. Now, swivel fold this flap over to the right, opening it along this purple edge. And flatten this trapezoid shape at a slight upwards angle like that. There's no reference creases for this fold. Just do it by eye. This flap is going to be the right wing, so you can see how this flap kind of curves upwards a little bit. Match that shape here. Fold this downwards, and fold this small white triangle over the purple edge, and tuck it underneath that layer. Fold back over, and now fold this white triangle over to the right side. Repeat all of those steps to make the second wing. Open these flaps, squash fold the triangle over. Fold this flap up to the center, and fold this flap down to the center. Fold the bottom flap upwards, and swivel fold, opening along this purple edge. Match the angle of this wing to the angle of the other wing. Fold this flap down, fold the small white triangle over, and tuck it underneath this purple layer. Fold this trapezoid back up, and stand the small white triangle in the middle upwards. Open it from the top with 2 layers on the left and 1 layer on the right. Squash fold it down like this. Now, fold a small part of this diamond on the right and left to the center, thinning it out. Unfold both of those. Unfold them backwards behind the rest of the diamond. Like that. Oh. Like that on one side. And do the same on the other side. The rough shape of the wings is now finished. Take this top flap, grab one of these layers, and pull it upwards. Do the same thing on the other side. Don't flatten anything just yet. Now, take this top flap and fold it backwards, and flatten. Now we're going to do the triangles at the bottom. First, fold this edge to the center crease, but only make a pinch crease along the center. Like that. Unfold. Now fold this flap upwards along the pinch crease, making sure to align these creases, and fold all the way across. Unfold. And now this next step is going to be slightly complicated. Open out this flap, mount and fold along the existing crease. Unfold, do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to do a collapse fold. Grab both of these flaps, pull them upwards, like that. Take this back flap, opened up all the way, and fold it along the center, turning it into one triangle like that. And now, as we flatten these layers towards the center, flatten this triangle in the middle off to the right. Try to make this line parallel with this line by swiveling it downwards until the side lengths are equal. Fold it over to the left, align everything, and flatten. went over the creases one last time. Now, fold this triangle to the right, rotate, open up this flap, grab this edge, and fold it down along that edge. Like this. Fold as far as you can into that pocket. Repeat the same thing on the other side, folding this edge to touch that edge. Open this center triangle and flatten it downwards as far as you can. And I'll fold this triangle down, leaving a little notch between these two white triangles, and fold this flap backwards into the model, hiding it from view. Now, fold this flap over, but only make a pinch crease along the bottom, then unfold. Do the same thing on the other side. Now fold this flap down, hinging at that point, and so that this tip lands on the pinch crease you just made. Like this. And repeat the same crease on the other side. Unfold both of these flaps and reverse their creases, tucking them backwards inside the model. Now, flip this flap upwards to reveal this bottom section, and fold between this point right there and that point at the edge. Repeat this fold on the right side without unfolding the first one. Flip this flap back downwards. Now it's time to do the bottom triangle. Turn over the model and fold this edge to this edge, but only making a pinch crease along the center line. Unfold, and I'll fold this bottom tip to that pinch crease. Fold this flap back down so that this edge remains parallel with itself, like this. Now, on the right side, lift up this paper and free it from that pleat fold. Sweep your crease outwards like that. Now grab this white triangle, fold it over to the right side, and flatten again. Again, pull this paper flap open and release the layers. Sweep outwards and fold this white triangle back over the center crease. Now, make a mountain fold along this small purple edge and repeat on the other side. Take this white square diamond and flatten it, and then mountain fold it backwards along this pre-existing crease. Now, fold this flap downwards and fold along this white edge upwards. Unfold and repeat on the other side. Unfold this again. Fold this flap up and fold down along that intersection of creases. Unfold these pleats and fold this flap back down. Now you're going to squash fold this inwards, collapsing it along the multiple different layers. This should make a pocket right there. Take this tab and tuck it into the outer pocket. Run over these creases. Make sure everything is flat. Now we're almost done. If you want to add some more shaping to the wings, make a small mountain fold line here, and then pleat fold it backwards over the wing. Repeat that same fold a little bit lower down, making the stripes on the wing the same size. And curve the wing upwards a little bit after doing this. Now repeat the same folds on the other side. There's no real reference crease for these folds, just do it by eye, whatever looks good. Once again, curve the wings upwards a little bit. This is just a bit more shaping to make the wings look a bit more realistic and more detailed. Now, we're almost done. We just need to round out the sharp corners of the heart. Open up this top flap, fold a little triangle into the model. Once again, there's no reference creases, just do this by eye. Some people want the heart to be more rounded, some people might want it to be more angular. These steps are kind of up to you. Last step, fold these two corners, mountain fold them behind the model. No reference creases. And there you go. This is a finished Deltarune heart. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you in the next video, and subscribe.